Hello, Culinary 3. Welcome to another week. And it's our last week of quarter 3. So one quarter left. Woohoo, so exciting. All right, this week in class, we are going to be doing biscuits and eggs Benedict. So first of all, the groups are going to be making homemade biscuits, and they are going to they'll eat some of their biscuits with like some jelly on one day, and then they'll save one of their biscuits for their eggs Benedict for later in the week. And then for their eggs, they are going to be learning how to do poached eggs properly. And they're also going to be making a homemade hollandaise sauce. Now, hollandaise sauce can be a little bit tricky because if you don't do it correctly, it can like separate, and that's called like breaking. But we're going to do a simple hollandaise sauce, and some of us maybe aren't as skilled or as familiar with how to do it. So we're going to be doing it in blenders. So you'll see in the recipes that I have attached for you, I have a simple blender hollandaise recipe. Just as always with everything, you guys are welcome to do the blender recipe if you want, or if you want to do a traditional hollandaise sauce, you certainly can do that. And then also too for eggs Benedict, traditionally it would be on an English muffin, and then you'd have like a piece of ham or Canadian bacon on that. But just for like money's sake and to use the biscuits that they made, they're just going to use a biscuit to put their ham and poached egg and their hollandaise sauce on. But again, if you want to use an English muffin for that, you certainly can. So again, they're going to be doing biscuits, poached eggs, and then a homemade hollandaise sauce this week. So I'm calling it a biscuit and an eggs Benedict unit for this week. So for you, what I would like to see is biscuits, for sure a poached egg, and a hollandaise sauce. All right. So kind of basically the same. I would like biscuits and eggs Benedict. Essentially, again, if you want to do the blender recipe for the hollandaise sauce, you're more than welcome to. If you want to challenge yourself a little bit more and do it the traditional way, again, you're more than welcome to do it that way too. Don't forget to do your brainstorm sheet and get that into me. And with your lab sheet, don't forget to be doing the photos. I think I will have you, I'll probably put 2 lab sheets on there for you, one for the biscuits and then one for the eggs Benedict, just so you don't have to try to cram it all in into one lab and try to get all those pictures into one. If you want to do it all on the same day and submit one lab sheet, that would be fine. That's perfectly fine. Just let me know that that's what you're doing, okay? So that I am aware if that's what you did. So, but as always, if you have any questions, certainly do not hesitate to reach out to me. You all have been doing a fantastic job. I certainly wish you all were here. I miss having you all in person, but hope you all are doing well. And yeah, getting excited for the 4th quarter, our last quarter together. And I will see you guys next week, and I can't wait to see how all of your eggs Benedict turn out. So have a great week.